Hello students, how are you beta? In last session, I have taught you unit 1 and I have given the question answers true or false other exercise also. So you have written in your notebook classwork and homework. Don't forget beta. जो ना लख्यो तो लखी लेजो बेटा क्लासवर्क में होमवर्क में. Okay, this is the second semester, not first. So in exam it will be help you. તો PDF બધું ઉતારવાનું રાખજો બેટા બધા. Now today I am going to teach you SL1. SL means supplementary reading, supplementary lesson. ગુજરાતીમાં પૂરક વાંચન તમારે ગુજરાતી હિન્દીમાં અને સંસ્કૃતમાં પૂરક વાંચન લેસન આવે છે ને બેટા. સો ઇંગ્લિશમાં એને કહેવાય છે સપ્લિમેન્ટરી રીડિંગ. શું કહેવાય છે બેટા? સપ્લિમેન્ટરી રીડિંગ લેસન એટલે એસએલ શોર્ટમાં કહેવાય છે એસએલ. તો એનું ફર્સ્ટ લેસન છે ડોન્ટ બી સ્ટુપિડ. મૂર્ખા બનશો નહીં. શું કીધું? મૂર્ખ બનવું નહીં. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ નેમ ઓફ ધ લેસન and I am reading this lesson. I have given first new words of that and synonym words of this lesson. So you write down in these both words in your classwork notebook. Okay, and synonym words you write down both not classwork and homework not. Okay beta, don't forget this. And there is only one opposite, alive and dead. Only one opposite of this lesson, so you write down these also together. And now I am reading this lesson. There was a lake in a forest where lived three big fishes. They was called Clever, Lazy and Stupid. They were friends. One day Clever heard some people talking by the side of the lake. By the side of opposite was beta next to. Sorry, synonym was is next to. They were saying, this lake is full of good fish. We shall come tomorrow with a big net and catch all the fish. This is a first paragraph. Now I explain this paragraph. There were a lake in the forest. Three fishes lived in a lake. Their names were Clever, Lazy and Stupid. They were close friends. One day some people means hunters, came there to the lake and they wanted to catch the fish of a lake. Clever heard their talking and said to his both friends. Clever heard their talking and said to his both friends. Clever said, our life is in danger. Now listen what some people are talking. They were talking. So Clever, this is the name of the fish. Clever heard these all talking of these people. And second paragraph, Clever said to himself, I must tell my friends that what I have heard. Our lives are in danger, in fear of being killed. We must go far away, at a long distance from here. Now listen. So Clever heard their talking and said to his both friends, Clever said, our life is in danger, so we must go to other place. Will Clever tell this to his friends? So Clever went to his friend Lazy and Stupid and told about the talking of the people. My dear friends, we have to leave this lake. There are some bad men who are planning to catch us. We have to go away quickly. Clever gave advice to his friend. Some people will come tomorrow and they will catch us. So better before that we have to leave this lake and we save our life. He gave advice to his friend Lazy and Stupid. Now do you think Clever's friends will leave the place? But Lazy said, I have lived here for long and don't want to leave this place. Don't worry. We'll be safe here. And Stupid said, big men always make big plans, but what they say they never do. They talk and talk of this and that, but what they say they never do. So here Clever told about the talking of people. So lazy, he don't want to, he did not want to leave this lake. And stupid said this, big men always talk like this, but they never do like that. So clever said, when Clever heard his friends talk in this way, he became very sad. He said, "My dear friends, I don't want our friendships to come to an end. So let us all leave this lake as soon as possible. We can swim to the sea. We shall be safe there." He gave advice again and again to leave the lake. What happened? But lazy and stupid did not want to leave the lake, and they did not leave the lake. So Clever said goodbye to them and swam away. Next morning, the man means the hunters came with big nets and caught all the fish. When Lazy was caught, he lay very still. Still means without movement. After all, he was lazy but not stupid. He did not move at all. Now listen. Next day, the hunters came with net to catch the fishes. Lazy, lazy lay very still. Still means steady. He did not move. So hunters thought that he is dead. He is dead. मरी गई છે એમ. Do you understand now? When the men saw him, they thought him to be dead. So they took him out of means removed from the net and threw away on the sand. When nobody was looking at him, Lazy slipped back means went into water and was safe, not in danger. Now listen here. He did not move, so hunters thought that he is dead. So they left him. And at that time, when the hunters threw him on the sand, when they were no looking at him, he slipped back into water and he was safe. And એની જિંદગી બચાવી દીધી. Then what would happen to stupid? હવે છેલ્લા સ્ટુપિડનું શું થાય છે આપણે વિચારવા જોવાનું છે. When stupid was caught, he went on trying to get off to move from the net. The men laughed and said, "We will get a lot of money when we sell this one." That is the way stupid lost his life. After that, beta, stupid was full. Stupid એટલે મૂર્ખ પણ થાય છે અને એનું બીજું સિનોનિમ he was full also. He could not get out from the net. He tried to get out, but he couldn't get out from the net, and hunters sold him to the people. So stupid lost his life. Do you understand now? This is your lesson. Now question answer. Question answer I am reading. So you give attentions in the question answers also, beta. And you write down these all question answers in your classwork note and homework notebook properly. Now listen, first questions. What were the fish called? The fish were called Clever, Lazy and Stupid. Here called means what? They asked the what were the name of the fish. એમનું ફિશનું નામ શું હતું એમ પૂછ્યું છે. The fish were called Clever, Lazy and Stupid. Who heard the man talking? Clever heard the man talking. કોણે સાંભળી હતી માણસોની વાત? તો કોણે સાંભળી હતી? ક્લેવર ફિશે. Who did not want to leave the lake and why? Lazy did not want to leave the lake because he had lived there for long. Who did not want to leave the lake? Lazy and Stupid did not want to leave the lake. What did the man do? The man came with big nets and caught all the fish. Who said goodbye to his friends? Clever said goodbye to his friends. What did Lazy do when he was caught? When Lazy was caught, he lay very still. What did the man think? The man thought that Lazy was dead. What did the man do with Lazy? The man took Lazy out of the net and threw him away on the sand. What did Lazy do when nobody was looking? When nobody was looking, Lazy slipped back into the water. Why did Stupid lose his life? Stupid did not get out of net, so the man sold it. Thus, Stupid lost his life. Okay, now you write down these all question answers and the exercise of who said the following sentences from your textbook and options question answers you write down from your textbook page number 77. This is my homework. Homework is, again I am telling you, you write down these all PDF, full PDF you write down in your classwork and notebook. Question answer you write down in your classwork and homework, and synonym words classwork homework. But other words, new words, only you write down in your classwork. Okay, and other exercise of textbook you write down in both not classwork and homework. Which one? Who said the following sentences? Okay, and select the correct answers and complete the following statements, selecting the most appropriate alternatives, means options. Okay, so you these three exercise you write down from your textbook. I have not written in the PDF. Okay, so you write down directly from the textbook. This is my homework. So now bye, take care and stay home.